Hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-mark as unread sa ating mga messenger chats. But first, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you from my new updates. And once to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung messenger app na gagamitan natin. So open lang natin yung ating messenger account or yung ating messenger app. And then dito guys, pumili lang kayo ng isang conversation na gusto nyong i-mark as unread. So ito na lang yung pipiliin ko guys. So kapag nakapili na kayo ng conversation, ilang press nyo lang or i-hold nyo yung messenger chat. And may magpa-pop up guys, makikita nyo dyan yung mark as unread. So tap nyo lang yung mark as unread. So makikita nyo guys, naging unread na siya. So pili pa tayo ng iba. Try ulit natin. Mark as unread. So ulit-ulitin nyo lang guys. And makikita nyo naman, nagmamark siya as unread. So ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-mark as unread sa ating mga messenger chats. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.